Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever found yourself hunting for the perfect mascara that promises to transform your lashes with just one swipe? If you're like me, you've probably tried a few mascaras that didn't quite live up to the hype. Today, we're talking about the Rimmel Wonder'fully Real Mascara in Waterproof Black. It's a product that claims to give you longer, fuller lashes, and who doesn't want that? But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. This mascara comes in a pack of 2, which is already a great deal for those of us who go through mascara quickly. The formula is infused with keratin, an ingredient that's meant to nourish and strengthen the lashes while providing volume. It's also got that waterproof factor, so if you're someone who wants long-lasting wear without worrying about smudging, this could be a game changer for you. But the big question is, does it live up to the promises? Now, I've been testing this mascara for a while, and I have to say, the precision brush is a standout feature. It's designed to help define and separate each lash, so you get that full fanned-out look without the clumps. As someone who has struggled with mascaras that tend to clump or smudge by the end of the day, I was curious to see how this one would hold up. In terms of application, it's pretty easy to use. The brush is slim enough to grab each lash, and the formula isn't too thick, which prevents that dreaded spider leg effect. The keratin element seems to be a real plus here, as I didn't feel like my lashes were getting brittle after use, which can sometimes happen with more heavy-duty formulas. As far as wearability goes, it definitely holds up well during the day, no flaking or smudging, even in humid weather. That waterproof claim? It's legit. It didn't budge, even after a long day. However, there are a few minor things worth mentioning. If you're looking for a truly dramatic, voluminous effect, you might need to apply a couple of coats to build it up. The formula doesn't provide that instant wow factor for volume that some high-end mascaras give, but the result is still quite natural and pretty. Pros: precision brush for easy, clump-free application, waterproof, lasts all day without smudging, contains keratin to nourish lashes, affordable price for a 2-pack. Cons: doesn't provide extreme volume with just one coat, so it requires a bit of building. If you're used to mascaras with a more dramatic effect, this might fall a little short on that front. Now, when it comes to value for money, I'd say the Rimmel Wonder'fully Real Mascara holds its own. You get 2 full-size tubes for a price that's lower than many mascaras on the market. Considering the longevity, waterproof formula, and the fact that it includes keratin, I think this is a good choice for anyone looking for an everyday mascara that's dependable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something with more volume right off the bat, you could try the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which has a similar brush design, but gives more of a dramatic lift in a single coat. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. It's not the most luxurious feeling tube, but it's not flimsy either. It's a solid, no-frills product that gets the job done. I didn't experience any issues with leakage, which is always a win for waterproof formulas. Now, if you're someone who's looking for a reliable, affordable mascara that won't disappoint during the day and holds up well to the elements, this could definitely be a great choice for you. It's not going to give you extreme volume, but it will give you a nice, natural lift and length. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.